Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Power BI. So I will explain each and every step from where and how to download Power BI. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Google Chrome and enter Power BI. You can use any browser here. I am using Google Chrome. Once you enter, now you can see the official website of Microsoft. So once you click it, you can see the new window. So here guys, there is a product option and select Power BI desktop. After that, now you can see two options are there. The first one is download free and the another one is see download or language option. So you don't need to click download free because it will take you to the Microsoft App Store like a Play Store in Android phones and you can download from there like a Play Store. So I will recommend always go with second option which is see download or language option. Once you click it, it will take you up to the next window page. And again, we can see two options. The first one is language setting and the second one is download. By default, language setting is English, but you guys can change the language setting accordingly. Here are so many languages, but I will go with English. Now you need to click download. After that, you can see the two versions are visible. So you need to select first version. After that, you need to press next button. Once you click on the next button, we can see the download started and it won't take much time. So I am canceling this because I have already downloaded it. So let's go to download. Now we will double click to install this Power BI. Hold. Now you can also change the language from here as well. I will click on next button. Again we see the dialog box and we need to press next over there. You can see guys preparing to install. Again you need to select next button. Now you can read the license agreement and check and click this checkbox and press next. Again you need to select next. After that you go to next and now click to install and after completing the installation Power BI icon will display in your desktop. Now you can see the Power BI desktop icon are there. So in this way we can download and install Power BI. In our next upcoming videos we will cover up basic knowledge about Power BI. So stay tuned with us and please support this channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.